ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361 Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma, baru Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma. Hagas ngi baar jong ka khatn reu tarik ubnai naiwing arajar arpuwei harengkat lang bat ki Menteri Sarkar kila Hiar Jurip ya ka thain Langpih ka badai ka weini ki jaka ka badang hap hapo ka jingya ka jiaput hapdeng ke Jilla Meghalaya bat ke Jilla Assam. Haba keren cekilat pathai khubor Conrad Sangma ulaong bakani ke jing Jurip hagani ka sngi ka wanra ya ka jing penbet no kham kloi ya upur usam hapdeng ke Jilla Meghalaya pat ke Jilla Assam. Kat kum ke jing tho jong Conrad Sangma lap tharu yi ki regional committee bakin phano yi ki kaipot sha ki Menteri Rangba haga lai pho trik upanai naiwing arajar arpuwei ha ka baki Menteri Rangba kin sa pelong ka jingya selok bat ki nongsong snong ki badan haga thain khaput ha shwa ba ka sarkar kan shim ye ka rai ban lojno ya ki sok kerdot ki bala thain jerwit jerwan menta de ki pho snem haga jing Hiar Jurip jong kini ki arngur ki Menteri Rangba haga thain Langpih da ki pho hajar ngur ki pai ba nongsong snong ki ba sa ha khaput ki lawan ban sakhi lang.
Thank Dr. Himanta Sarma for having agreed and jointly decided to make this visit to come here and meet the people of this area, discuss this issue of border differences that we have and find an amicable way to resolve this very long pending issue. Friends, the people of Langpih area and 12 other areas in Assam and Meghalaya border have been suffering for the last 49 years, where because of the differences that exist, there have been incidents, there has been tension, and most importantly, precious lives have been lost.
It is also a fact that we have dispute on borders, and that dispute is always becoming a irritating factor in the spirit of Northeast, or whenever we like to work collectively as a citizen of Northeast. Those irritating factor keeps on emerging, and sometimes it also goes to a different line, or things goes beyond our control. After I assumed power, of course before that also we used to informally discuss this issue with my esteemed colleague Sri Conrad Sangma, that Assam and Meghalaya we need to resolve our border dispute for the interest of both states. But when I assumed the chair of Chief Minister of Assam, I travelled down to Shillong, and I have requested Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya that let us try to resolve the dispute so that we maintain our age-old tie, age-old relationship, and also Assam and Meghalaya collectively set the tune of United Northeast for the benefit of entire region. We have identified, both the government has identified that we have 12 disputes. Out of that, we have created regional committees on both the sides, and regional committees have started their work on 6 disputed sites. one minister from government of Assam and one minister from government of Meghalaya, together with the team, with the regional committee constituted with the members across the political line, has started visiting those disputed sites. Today, I am very happy to inform you that we have already concluded the visit of 6 disputed sites, and they have taken, both the committees has taken the views of the people. They have considered the administrative contiguity and all other factors, and I am of the view that the committee is going to submit their report soon to the respective chief ministers. What report in our hand, both the state governments will sit down again and will try to resolve the dispute in the first phase concerning the 6 points. As has been said by Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, we have not included Langpih in the first phase because we all agree that for resolving Langpih issue, we need to have an extensive dialogue with the citizen of Assam and Meghalaya. We have to work on ground zero. We have to look at the historical fact. We have to look at the constitutional issues. We have to look at the entire dispute so that very systematically, so that once we resolve it, there is no issue we will leave for our future generation. If we resolve the issue, we should resolve it finally. We should not go for ad hocism. For that point of view, we have kept Langpih for the second phase. However, it is also important to assure the people of Langpih or the people of both sides of the border that no, we are not leaving Langpih at all. It is only the fact that we will take up the Langpih in the second phase, and it is not that we are not going to resolve the Langpih dispute at all. So that is why today Sri Sangma and I, along with our colleague, have come to Langpih to reassure that with the spirit of friendship, with the spirit of Northeast, we are going to resolve this Langpih dispute also in the days to come.